Hi guys. So for today, I'll be recording the sample one-way interview, an actual interview that I have for one of the clients that I applied for. So the first question is, what made me interested to apply in this company? I actually enjoy building relationships with clients while making sure that the team members I'm handling are successful at this role. This job opening combines both being able to manage team members and build client relationships, which I am passionate about. The 20 years of experience I've had working with US and Australian clients are my training ground and would help me bring a lot on this particular role, the skills that I have during those past 2 decades. Okay, so for question number two, the question is, tell us about a specific mistake you made in a professional setting. How did you address it, and what did you learn from the experience? In the past role that I handled as an executive assistant of a global managing director, he travels very often. And although he is based in the US, on one of his travels to UK, his calendar meetings are still set on a US time zone. So when I noticed that particular mistake, I immediately made adjustments on the meetings that are scheduled. I reached out to the team members that are affected by the meetings, asked them if they're willing to adjust the schedule of the meetings given that the director is traveling, or if they're willing to wait until the director comes back so we could reschedule that particular meeting. What I learned from this experience is that you have to really be accurate on this role, organize, have a sense of urgency, and make sure that you anticipate any potential changes on the executive's schedule. So this is the third question. Can you share an experience where you had to deal with a challenging client or customer? There was this instance wherein I handled an executive who's very particular with my productivity, on how productive I am throughout the day. So, in order for her to have that particular visibility on what I'm actually doing, I created an Excel sheet that tracks the daily task that I'm doing for her. Also, there's a tab there where I also written down the task that she needs to accomplish, because she has this tendency of forgetting the task that's assigned to her. So she likes the fact that she has visibility. There are due dates on when this task would need to be done. Also, we have implemented an end of day report. So by the end of my shift every day, I have a report sent out to her so she can see the things that I have accomplished for the day and if there are any pending tasks. Also, we have implemented our daily catch up, 10 to 15 minutes meeting daily, so we could go over tasks that are accomplished for the day and the pending task both on my side and her side. So that creates visibility for my productivity. Okay, so this is the last part of the interview, and it's actually not a question. I think it's a matter of them hearing how you enunciate or pronounce certain words or sentences or phrases. So I just need to read certain line here, and that's the end of the interview. So I'll go ahead and record and read it. If practice makes perfect, and perfect needs practice, I'm perfectly practiced and practically perfect. And that's it, guys. That's the last part of my interview. So, it's actually common for most of the companies to have this one way interview. So, what happens is the questions are here, but there's no one physically present to conduct the interview. So, it's only the questions available, and then you have to answer each one and record yourself. So that's it, guys. That's the last part of my interview. Hopefully, I pass. I pass on this role, and I'll give you an update about it. If you have questions about becoming an executive or virtual assistant, I actually have a book called The Ultimate Guide to Becoming a VA. You could click the link if you'd like to purchase it. I also conduct one-on-one coaching, so you could just comment coach or ebook below if you have any questions, or you could also feel free to message me. Again, follow me on all my social media accounts. Thank you, and hope to see you on my next video.